Hello friends, welcome to another Q-Trend, where we are devoted to building excellence in students. In our video today, we are going to look at how to use our calculator to solve for complex numbers. That is, either to find the modulus, the arguments, re-resolving it to polar, or re-resolving it to rectangular form, and also we find notes, conjugate, and all that. So I would like you to stick to the end of this video so that you learn a valuable thing, so that when you get to the examination room, you'll be able to finish your exams fast. So let's go straight to our questions so that we will not waste much time. So for the first question, we have that we should find the modulus and the argument of 7 minus I over 3 minus 4i. 7 minus I over 3 minus 4i. So you go straight to our calculator, and with this question, always when we are solving complex numbers, we need to put our calculator in a complex mode. We need to put our calculator in a complex mode, and to do that, we will press on mode. So let's see. We'll press on mode, and you can see number 2 it's not complex. So we press on number 2. So now our calculator has not placed in the complex mode. Our calculator is now in the complex mode. So what we do is that we will now make sure that our calculator also is in the degree mode, since we are finding the arguments, and you know that the modulus is the length. You know, the modulus is the length of, let's say, maybe C. The modulus of K is its length. That is, to get its length, you know that it got the root of, let's say, A squared plus B squared. And also we know that the argument of, let's say, C is the angle measured from its positive row axis. The angle measured from the positive row axis, or let's say the angle short. But going through all this process is quite a lot process. So we are going to learn how to use our calculator to solve it so fast and so simple in the examination. So as I said, make sure that our calculator is in the degree mode. As you can see on top, it's written D. That is what the calculator is in the degree mode also. So let's go straight. So we'll type out our question into the calculator. So we'll bring this a fractional question. So we'll bring our fraction sign. We have 7 minus I. And to bring our I, you press on this ENT, but ENT. So you press on the ENT. Then we move down. So we have 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i. So you know it's able to type our question. So after we are done key in the question itself, what we do, we press on shift and number 2, which you can see on number 2 written on top of complex. So we press number 2. Now, and money has shown up. We have number 1 showing the arguments, number 2 the conjugates, number 3 which is the radius and also theta and all that. But we are focusing on we are finding the modulus and the arguments. So we would choose number 3. So we press on number 3. Now note, the R is showing the length. That is the modulus. The arm is for the modulus, and the theta part is for the arguments. So let's press equal to and see what you get to. You press equal to. So we have root 2 angle 45. So now the root 2 is the part for the modulus, and this 45, which is showing degrees, is the 45 degrees is for the arguments. So we have 2 for the modulus and the 45 degrees for the arguments. So say 15. Let's move on to our next question, which we have brackets open. Our fraction here of 3 minus I. 3 minus I. Then it come down. We have 1 minus 2i. We close our brackets. Then we square it, since is how the question is. After we are done typing the question itself, then we press on shift, then number 2. Then choose number 3. Then first because. So now an answer has popped up. So we have 2 degree 90 degrees. So the 2 is for what? The modulus, and the what? 90 degrees is for what? The arguments. So that is how what we use the calculator for it. So let's move on to the third question, which we are about. Find the complex contribute of what C is equal to 3 minus 2i over 1 plus I. So we have to find out what's arguments. So with this question, the conjugates, we have to find the complex conjugate. So with this one, what we do is that what you now first type the question. You first what bring the conjugate sign. So to do that, you press on shift, then number 3. Then you can also see a menu spot that number 2, which is what conj. So that is representing what conjugate. So press on number 2. So after we are done pressing this blue, the blue numbers, type in the question itself. And now type in the question itself. So the question is 3 minus 2 pi over 1 plus I. Then close our brackets. So this is the question itself. So after that done, then once we press equals, we are finding the quantities. So this is the answer. We have what 1 over 2 plus what 5 over 2i. So this is the conjugate of what is. We know that when you are finding manually conjugate, you need to what find the negative of this, then multiply it. So it becomes 3 minus 2i over 1 plus I times 1 minus I over 1 minus I, which is a whole lot of thing, a whole lot of process. But our calculator, you see, has given us an answer so simple and so short. So let's move on to the last question, where we are told what resolve 3 plus 4i in the polar form. Now to resolve 3 plus 4i in the polar form, and to do that, you type our question first. So we have 3 plus 4i. After that, then press what sheet number 2. Then press on what number 3. Number 3 is for what the polar form, on what resolving it in the polar form. Number 4 is when maybe we have it in the polar form and you want to what resolve it in the rectangular form. But you let's go for number 3 and let's. So we press the code. So we now have what's this 5. Then we have the 53.13. So we've been able to resolve this, which is in the rectangular form to the polar form. Now let's check and see. Let me give you another trick. So we also have this, which is 5 and 53.53. You want to resolve this back into the rectangular form. If let's say what you would get this into, if certainly we get this into. So let's say you would type what we just solved, like that is this one. The 5, the angle 53.13. You type it in and check whether what you will get this say 3 plus 4i. So we listen. So we have 5. And to bring our angle, we press on shift and this side where I've played with the mouse pointer on. We press on it to bring the angle. Then we have 53.13. So let me clear this. 53.13. So after that, with this, then press on shift. Then number 2. As I told you, number 2 is for we're converting it but back into what rectangular form. Sorry, number 4 is we converting it back into what the rectangular form. Number 4 is converting it back into the rectangular form. So we press on number 4, we press equal to. So we can see that what we have this. So we have 3.000 plus 3.9999i continuous and all that i. So we can see when you are converting, we have 3 plus, so 3.00 is the same as what 3 plus, then you have 3.9999, if we can what approximate it what form I. So we can see that what a calculator can do all those things for us so simple and hot, so easy. So also soon come to the end of this video. If this video helped you to solve complex numbers with your calculator so simple, I would like you to please like this video so that what others will be able to get notified and order, and also subscribe to this channel and not children. And also If there is any question or any topic you would want us to teach on how to use the calculator to do it, go into the comment section and type it in. I would like to make a video on it for you. Thank you very much for your time. Share it to your friends so that they also get notified. This is Anochuchin once again. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.